This is our waterproof zipper wrapping machine. This wrapping machine is different with our normal wrapping machine because this machine can adjust the speed. For waterproof zipper, you cannot adjust the speed quickly. This machine can adjust the speed. Also, the shape is different. For the normal wrapping machine, you wrapping the zipper to be very big, low, and then you place in this. But this wrapping machine, the shape is already here. Look at the shape is already like this. So that's why if you want to make the waterproof machine by yourself, you should consider also buy one set this machine. This is the wrapping machine for waterproof zipper. Thank you.